So we're going to start with the nav bar. But before we do that, it would be nice to get all our assets, right? You need to get all of these images and put them on our VS Code, all of these, right? We're going to do that now. So how do we export images? How do we export pictures from our Figma file? Now, before we go, let's talk about Figma a bit. Our Figma has three sections. We have these first sections. This shows you all the components on your Figma file. It shows you where they are. So when you click on any of this, it highlights it. When you click on this logo, for instance, it shows you where it is on your code. You can see it's down here. You can expand and see, right? So all the contents of this are shown on this side of this workspace. Then the middle is actually the workspace that shows you what is being built, what the UI UX designer design, right? Then this right panel here, it shows you all the details. It gives you so I have edit access. That's why I can see design. Else I would have seen just comments, products. I don't know what's here. If you have just view, so probably the Figma file you're using doesn't have all of this. But regardless, we can still use this, right? Okay. So if you have edit access, you will see export at the bottom, or if you have view access, I think you'll see it at the last tab here, right? But let's work with that. So this exports enables you to export assets like this images logo and whatever you want to export, majorly for images and all of that. Yeah, but when you want to work with text, you have to use this inspect section. It gives you the CSS and even the text. For example, this, you can just come here. Instead of typing this out, you can just come here and just click on copy and just go to your VS Code and paste there, right? Then underneath here, you can have access to the CSS. You don't need to guess the font size of all of this. It's all here. You just need to come and copy and use the CSS, right? So that's the brief intro of how you can work with a Figma file. Okay.